In this video, I'll show you how to add multi-column drop-down menu in WordPress. Let's get started. So in here, you can see this add plugin option. So from this, just click on this search bar and search in here for Elementor. Once you have searched in here for Elementor, you need to actually install two plugins. So first one is this Elementor website builder and also the Elementor skip. Then in here, you can see this Elements kit. So click on this one. And then from in there, just head over and click on this install and activate right here in order to install this particular plugin. So as you can see, it's been installed. So head over and click on this Elements kit and click on this header and footer. Now, once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see this particular page. Now scroll down and in here, you should be able to add a new template. Click on this add new right here. And then just put in here a title. So let's name this mega menu. And let's put this on the type of header. And in here, you can also activate and deactivate it. So click on the save changes. And then once you have done that, it should be added. Now from in here, click on this edit content right here. And then click on this edit content that you can see in the bottom. Now, once you have done that, you should be able to be loaded to the next page that will open the Elementor. So from in here, just click on the search widget and let's search in here for menu. So having here this Elements Kit nav menu, so let's add this right here to our actual page. As you can see, it shall be added and here it is right here, now loading. So in here, you can select the menu that you want to display. Let's display our home menu that we have in here. As you can see, it's been added. Now you can also drop down open as hover or also to click, and also you can choose this sub menu icon indicator, and you can also make this responsive and also the position. So for this one, I'll put this on the right, and then as you can see right here, it's been added to that. Now that we added it, let's head back right here to our dashboard and let's head over to our appearance and click on menus. Once you have clicked on it, we should be able to see all the menus we have. But for this case, let's edit out our home menu, which is right here. So here's our home menu. You can also choose which ones you want for this one. So I'll choose the home menu, and you can also enable this mega menu content. Click on this right here in order to enable it. And then from there, click on the save menu in order to save this enable that we have added. Now, when you hover to the ones that have been added right here, you can see the option for Mega Menu. So click on this right here and click on this right here in order to make sure that Mega Menu has been enabled. Once you have done that, click on the Save option in order to save this progress. You can also toggle to the settings right here and then you can set Mega Menu with as default or also negative. Once you have done that, let's head back right here and you can see in here this option for this one, which is Add Elements Kit Template. Now in here, you can just head over to the section and then just look for the mega menu option right here. Now you can see in here some mega menu as well as this women's fashion, which is also a mega menu. So just choose which ones you want and click on this insert option right here. And as you can see, this will load in order to add this particular mega menu on our page. And now as you can see, it's been added. Now you can actually edit it out, each part of this into however you want. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.